We're now going to look at how you print information to the console over here. And the easiest way to do this is with the print statement, which is one of the options that comes up in the new code selector here. And a print statement takes a single value, which can be a literal value, like a string or a variable. It can also be a string which contains other values. This is called an interpolated string. And in Elan, all strings are automatically interpolated. Anything that you put in curly braces is assumed to be a value or an expression or a variable which is to be contained in the print. So if we run this, we can see that we get 3 printing the value of A, we get hello, which is printing the value of C, and we also get print 3 times 4 equals 12 from this interpolated string. Now, switching to a different program, we're now going to use a different way of printing, which is using the print procedures that are provided as part of the standard Elan library. And notice that these are always used within a call statement. You call any procedure, including standard library procedures. So we're calling print and we're calling printTab. And like any other procedure, the arguments are provided in brackets, which they aren't in the print statement. And the difference between the simple print procedure and the print statement is that it doesn't automatically print a new line at the end of what you've printed. If you want new lines, you have to put \n, as you do in most programming languages, but you can put those wherever you like. So we'll see that in a moment. The printTab, the second argument, is what you're going to print. And by the way, for both print and printTab, the argument has to be a string. If you want to print something else, as we're doing here, the value of x, we need to use an interpolated string. So here we're printing x squared, and x cubed. PrintTab allows us to say on which column the print should start. This is going to allow us to align columns and produce a nice table format without the table going awry as the numbers get longer. So let's just run that, and you can see it prints table of squares, and then it prints the headings on the next line after the \n, and then it runs through the loop 10 times, printing out x squared, and x cubed. But notice how, as the numbers get longer, it doesn't push the next column out of line, because tab is defining the actual column that you start printing in. We had to remember to put in a \n on the third one in order to move on to the next line, because neither print nor printTab will automatically put in a new line.